This video is all about the graph. We're going to check out GRT, seeing what the TA looks like, as well as we got that tweet from Elon Musk. We also got a very positive tweet from Jack Dorsey, something Square is looking to get more into the crypto space. So if you guys like this content, consider smacking that subscribe button if you're new here, and of course, smack that like button. You guys like this content. Jumping right into the graph. As we know on this channel back in December, we got into the graph all the way down here below 14 cents. And it's just, the rest has been history. But look at this massive price appreciation all the way up to approximately just under $3, around the $2.90 area. And then now we've been consolidating for a long time. It has been exactly 112 days since we had that top right there. And I know it's very frustrating for a lot of people because you buy the dip and it just keeps on dipping. That's what we see, because what we see since we had the high, we have low, a lower high, lower low, lower high again, a lower low again, and then bam, we just broke down with making another lower low. We couldn't even, it's not making higher highs. But I want to zoom in and show you guys some things. Right now on the MACD, on the daily, this is looking pretty good. We got the cross right here just the other day, nice positive momentum. We would like to get this back up to the positive territory. Histogram is looking good. Let's keep that. Let's go. As well as on the RSI, as we see here, we had the low here, made a high, higher low, higher high, kind of played around there, higher low, another higher high, higher low, higher high. Right now we're working on our higher low. Let's keep that higher low up. Hopefully we don't want to see it get below 40, and then let's bounce right back up and make that higher high. Zooming out though on the daily, the price action is, we kind of been chopping sideways, and keep in mind, a lot of this really is dictated based off of Bitcoin's price action. So if Bitcoin takes a dump, most likely, most of the altcoins will also continue to take a dump. Let's zoom into the 1 hour, see how we're doing close up. What I'd like to see here though is we're kind of looks like we may have possibly bottomed out here on the 1 hour. Look at that, nice, bam, found support, previous support, a lot of price action here, bouncing right off that. That's very healthy. As we see on the MACD though, we have some negative momentum, but we're losing the negative momentum. Very good. Possibly in the next hour or two or three, we'll get that cross on the MACD, and then we'll start printing positive on the histogram, which is very bullish because that the green here is showing positive momentum. So watch out for that cross in the next few hours. It could be in the next hour, 2 or 3, somewhere in that region. That's what I'm anticipating. But look, this is not surprising. As we can see, all throughout here, we had nice positive momentum. We also were we were in the overbought territory a few times. And so it's normal to have some kind of pullback. We are currently zoomed in on the 1 hour. So keep in mind, the 1 day is more important than the 1 hour. Being zoomed in, it just wants to see what's happening right now. So that's what we see right there. And right now, we were approaching the oversold territory. We weren't quite there, but we were pretty low compared to its history on the 1 hour. See right here, it was oversold back in there when it was all the way down around, what was that, 61 cents and 59. So that's cool to see. But currently, we have plenty of room on our side to go up. We have plenty of room with this MACD printing positive, and price actions correlating. We're cooling off here. Price actions going up. Our size tuning up as well. So that's what we want to see. Hopefully, that can continue. I do want to bring you guys back to the weekly. Just get a nice little back in memory lane. We will be checking out the Jack Dorsey tweet and Elon tweet in just 1 second. But this right here was a massive. We had the Coinbase listing. They launched the graph. Bam, bam. Consolidated, bam. Now we're consolidated even more. This red week right here just reminds me of right here. It's a massive drawdown, and now we're starting to bounce. So of course, how we didn't actually bounce off that first candle, maybe we did bounce off this one, since we did have a longer accumulation zone right there. Who knows, guys? Watch out for Bitcoin. We're definitely at a we're in that no man's land right now. So let's see how it plays out with Bitcoin, and we'll go from there. Let me know down below if you're still buying the good old GRTs. It seems like it's being integrated with a lot of blockchains, so that is very, very bullish. Now on to the good old Elon, which supposedly dumped the market yesterday. Elon tweeted, hashtag Bitcoin with the broken heart emoji with this little meme right here. Her, I know I said it would be over between us if you quoted another Linkin Park song, but I found someone else. Him. So in the end, it didn't even matter. So Elon, he just posts these things. He's literally just trolling the entire market. People for some reason put this him on a pedestal that he's like some genius or whatever. He's simply just an engineer. He's not an investor. The guy is a very smart engineer, but like I said, he even said he's not an investor. So I don't know why we put so much meaning onto this. But at the end of the day, I mean, these weak hands are just allowing you to buy up some more good old BTC and altcoins on the wonderful dips that it creates. So what is your thoughts about Elon? Let me know down below. But on to Jack. This right here is very bullish, okay? It says Square is considering making a hardware wallet for Bitcoin. If we do it, we would build it entirely in open from software to hardware design and in collaboration with the community, the Bitcoin community. We want to kick off this thinking the right way by sharing some of our guiding principles. And he goes on and on. I believe this right here is extremely bullish, guys. Seeing that Square wants to get in and make a hardware wallet for Bitcoin. You know, it's not just going to stop at Bitcoin. It's going to come into the altcoins as well. So this is extremely bullish. We also have the Bitcoin conference down in Miami this weekend. That right there is bringing a lot of positivity in just one area. So this weekend, I mean, it'd be exciting to see if it ends up being a bullish weekend. We shall see. You know, only time will tell. But what do you guys think about this? Do you guys use hardware wallets? Do you guys only use soft wallets? You know, what do you use? Do you just like a MetaMask or a Trust wallet? What is your preferred wallet to use on the daily? Let me know down below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Consider smacking that subscribe button if you're new. And of course, smack that like button if you guys like this content. The good old GRT is currently at around 80 cents. Will we end up breaking out, making all-time highs this year? Let me know your thoughts down below. But until next time, I'll catch you guys all in the next one. And until then, may those gains be with you.